we'd like to work with our ideal clients for a long time. Who wouldn't, right? But before we get into any engagement talk, we have a try before you buy period. It's our way of seeing what the chemistry between us is like before going forward. Now, there are two choices for you, both of them packed with a ton of value before we officially start working together. At Tier 1, our Total Online Presence Audit, which provides you a deeper dive into your business with a full analysis, strategy, and identifiable tactical solutions to help you get to where you need to go from here. And that's in your hands in weeks, not months. At Tier 2, we offer an interactive workshop with your team in which we'll map out the full strategy and tactics of our marketing hourglass that work for every step of your buyer's journey. Which one sounds best to you? No matter what, once you have our recommendations, they're yours to keep. Plus, if we both feel there's a good natural fit, we'll move forward with an engagement conversation and an agreement on numbers right then and there.